swung foul as well. Instead, 1-0 Bay Sox. Now Cook rolls the first pitch on the ground to short, fielded by Sung-Jae Chang, and Chang's throw to first is in time to end the inning. Here's the pitch. Chang pops stretch, and his pitch is a curveball in the American League last year. 1-1 outside last year. 2-1. Line drive by Chang into left as Cook plays it on the bounce for a base hit. And the righty Chen delivers. Beavers pops it up behind third. Third baseman Pichardo waved off by the shortstop Chang, who makes an off-balance catch over to his left in shallow Knight. And the pitch to the left-handed batter is in there on the outside for a call. First Double-A action since 2022. 0-1, Chang shows bunt, and he bunts it up the third base side, picked up by Burns. The throw to first is late, not in time. An infield bunt single by Sung-Jae Chang has loaded at first. And the 0-1. Little tapper on the ground to third, past the third baseman, gloved by the shortstop Chang. The throw to first, gets away from the first baseman Shackelford. And it went out of play, so it allows Beavers to go to second. Servideo the third. Chang. Tying runs in scoring position. First pitch is high for a ball. Now the 1-0 is a called strike on the out. Here's the 1-1 pitch from Reinhardt, and that just misses the out. Curve 2. Here's the pitch. Reinhardt throws a ball outside. And the pitch to Sung-Jae Chang is a called strike on the at the plate. Here's the pitch. Check swing. Did he go in the dirt? They appeal, and no swing, says third base umpire Brian Laws. Bases will now be loaded.
The center fielder.
The sixth inning for Bowie, and he grounds the first pitch hard to right at the shortstop Sung-Jae Chang, who has it, sets his feet, throws to first in time to begin the sixth inning. Here's the pitch, and Chang, one on Chang. And the pitch, tap, and the 0-2. Chang hits a high fly ball in the deep right center. Beavers giving chase, Fabian giving chase, and it is gone. Sung-Jae Chang has tied it up for Altoona. A 2-run homer to right center off the video board. And it is 4-4 in the seventh inning. So when it looked like Verbitsky was almost on his way from getting through this inning, Chang tags him with a 2-run shot. Ayo, and the pitch. Asayo rolls it up the middle. Behind second, it's Sung-Jae Chang, who fields chest high and throws over the